Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and CEO at a company called Torpedopot, where we make self-growing planters. We will literally grow your food for you with no human intervention. And so we've been able to grow right here 2.5 pounds of carrots. Total, we've grown about, I don't know, maybe about 4 pounds of carrots. We have 10 planters that we took 3,000 seeds and put them in. About 300 seeds in each planter, and every growth stage we harvest. When I wanted microgreens when they're a lot smaller, I harvest the microgreens. When they're mid-sized like these carrots here, I harvest them for food. And the remaining 3,000 of that bunch that we have is still in the planter growing, and they'll get more carrots, and they'll get bigger and bigger and bigger. But all I did was go to my grower. I brought a bag of carrot seeds, and you can get thousands of carrot seeds for a cheap price. You throw them in your planter, and this is what you get. You get an unlimited supply of food anytime you want to, around the clock, 24 hours a day. And it's so good. Look how big that is. So if we let this carrot grow, it will become really big. But we choose not to. We let his brothers and sisters stay in there, and we'll eat this the way it is right now. So what I do now is that I have all of this food. And what's so good about all this food is that it's readily available nutrition. So I have nutrition at my doorstep all of the time. Not some of the time, all of the time. All I do is come out, and I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. It's pure carrot. It smells so good. It's healthy. No blemishes on any of the tops. The tops are perfect. They're gorgeous. They're fluffy, they're everything you would want is a robust plant. And they're so good. And so what I'll do is then I'll go in right now, I use these as my nutrition moving forward. I'll replace this with the food that I have been eating because an average homeowner spends about $24,000 a year on food. Carrots only cost 0.001 cents a seed. I've just planted 1,000 seeds for a fraction of what you can buy your food for at one shot. In other words, I made a very wise decision with my meal. I bought a Torpedopot. Torpedopot is a self-growing planter that you see behind me that grows your food for you. All you do is put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, and it grows your food for you. The only thing I did, I put my soil in, I put my seeds in this case. I walked away. The first 2 weeks, I hit it, supplemented with an organic supplement, and that's it. I don't do anything else. Oh, I did go out. I saw a caterpillar on my plants, and I pulled them off. I come by, take 5 minutes to pull off all the unwanted pests so my food will go directly in my mouth and not someone else's mouth. Because now I can see it. You know, when you go down the garden, you're just trying to look for your pests and who's destroying your food. You can't see that. You have no way of monitoring or controlling that. And in Torpedopot, everything is right in front of you. You get to see your food, how it grows, how beautiful it is. Everything's just right in front of you. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we grow food, where our self-growing planters grows your food with no human involvement. And we grow it better than you can. And that's not to be sarcastic in any way. That's to be beneficial to show you that we know food because we grow it. So I'll take these 4 pounds total that we have, and I think I've already put 1 pound away. And so I'll take the 3 and I'll rinse them off a little bit further. I'll store them and they'll go right in my freezer. So when I need them, I have access to them whenever I want. Now, the reason why I love my Torpedopot is because I get multiple seasons. So let's say it took me to grow these carrots about, let's say it took about 9, 10 weeks, 12 weeks to grow carrots. I'm not really sure, I forgot what it is, forgive me. But just like my Halloween radish, after you've harvested your crop, if you allow it to harvest, it go through many different growth stages. But if you allow it to harvest, then you can plant them over and over and over and over again. Hence, you will never run out of food. Torpedopot guarantees your food security, and it does it in ways that you've never seen before. I love my carrots. I love my natural food. It's so beautiful. It's so healthy. And guess what? I don't have to go and spend $50 on pills. All I have to do is eat healthy and eat right. And my day is done. I am so awesome. I'm feeling so good. because I know I have the nutrition right in front of me. Darren Radisson, Torpedopot.com. Again, we make self-growing planters. I'll let you take one more look as we step away, get a little bit close to your food. And this is absolutely beautiful. I love my planters. They grow my food for me whenever I want, and they do a fantastic job. This is food. This is real food. This is the food you need to have in your body. And Torpedopot will grow it for you. Torpedopot is a self-growing planter that grows your food when nothing else does, and it does a very good job of it. Real healthy food. Real healthy food. Darren Radisson, Torpedopot.com. Darren Radisson, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.